way you move make me blind. You will always be there, there's no doubt.
Hello and welcome back. This is a BeautyBigBang review video. Here is their website where you can go shop, and I have a 10% off code MAENAIL10 that you can apply to your purchase. I'm going to be reviewing their makeup brush mat, cleaner mat. So they sent me this black one, and it does have different textures for different purposes for cleaning the brush. I like to wash my brushes with like the dot ones, or in this case this one has hearts and these little plus or X's, and then you rinse it in this small dotted one, and then you just refine with the lines one. So this is how it looks. It does have the grip thing where you put it on your sink and it will stay in place when you're washing your brushes. So let me zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, the soap I like to use is a soft soap that is not very abrasive or hard on the bristles. So I just use baby soap. So first thing I'm gonna do is run some water on this to make sure there is no like the factory residues and stuff like that. Okay, now it's damp, so you can see my brush is dirty, so I do add a little bit of soap on the brush, and then let me saturate it, the bristles. Let me add a little bit of water. Okay, and I like to do these first, which will be the heart, and I just go like in a circular motion, and then I go here, then I just add a little bit more water, then I go right here to rinse. As you can see, it's already coming off, already getting clean. We do the refined one like for last, and that's just to keep your brush in shape, and I just go like this. Okay, let me keep on brushing. I think it needs a little bit more soap since this is a bigger brush. Zoom in so you guys can see how it works. This mat does come with a word that says rinse there, so that's helpful for you guys if you don't know which texture to use for what. And this doesn't really take a long time to clean. So now let me just take off the soap. And when I'm done with this, I just let it dry on a towel flat on the table or counter. Just squeezing some of the water out softly so you won't mess up the bristles. And there it goes. You want to go like this if you want to keep the form and shape of the brush. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. So I'm gonna try it with a smaller brush. Here I have this smaller one. Just dampen it a little bit, then add a little bit of soap. And I'm gonna start here in the heart section. You can see all that buildup coming off already. Then I'll move on to this one. Then I go to the rinse and then come out here. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in this product, it will be in the link down below.